So this is a ceramic tile that we have that was donated to us from the San Diego Museum of Art, and we use it for showing how our ultraviolet light works.
We have a giant break right here, and so we want to know a little bit more about it.
And the ultraviolet light is going to help us narrow down what it could be. It's also going to show us if there are varnishes on it or if there's been inpainting or anything like that, because it excites the molecules in those materials.
This is a tool that they also use in CSI to see if there are human bodily fluids like blood on the floor. And you can see that right along this break, someone has done some inpainting, varnish, and glaze over the original glaze. This was previously repaired, and they want to make sure that when it was put back together, it would look like it had never been broken. And what's interesting is when you go and examine the rest of the tile, there is also inpainting along here. And what you probably didn't notice that before because the inpainting has been done in such a way that it really minimizes the view of that crack. And what's interesting is that this crack in here is probably only a couple millimeters wide, but whoever did the inpainting felt the need to inpaint about an inch over. And in here, there's a second color. So most of this is this blue-white kind of color, and this is a darker blue, so that might be an even later repair. And let's examine the rest of the ceramic tile. And what you can see is there is this white fluorescing here, and that is probably from rainwater or some sort of water hitting the tile with salts in it, and they would drip down and form these streaks of salts.